Hello everybody, Colin here, and this is going to be a new long-term project that I am calling the A to Z of Oldham Mills. We're going to visit every mill listed in the metropolitan borough of Oldham in alphabetical order. So, if you worked in the Ace, the Acorn, Albert, Albany, Albion, Alderroot, Alexandra, Anchor, Apex or Argyle, please get in touch by contacting us at the email below, telling us a bit about what you did, and you'll get a mention when we get round to that mill. So let's get this journey started here in Chadderton on Neville Street. Designed by A.H. Scott and Sons, built by the Abbey Mill Spinning Company in 1875, the Abbey Mill became Oldham's first belt-driven mill as seen in these plans. Externally, the mill conformed to the tradition that had evolved in South Lancashire, a symmetrical 5-storey brick building with 2 staircase towers balancing the central entrance. It was renamed Neville Mill when the Neville Mill Company took over in 1889. In 1891, the textile manufacturer noted, "Our readers will observe the mill does not make such a picture as some other structures we have seen erected by individual mill owners." The reason for this being, of course, that ornamentation does not assist in paying the dividends. Their interest arose with the adoption of the Stotts fireproof floor construction. Neville Mill was located here, on what is now the Oldham Muslim Centre Compass House, and a cash and carry wholesaler. This photo from the 1930s shows Britannia Mill in the centre, with the reservoir of Neville Mill just in shot bottom right. The footprint of the original building is still quite visible if viewed from above, even though the mill was demolished in 1936. After ceasing production 2 years prior. Looking at this photo from the same year, following Middleton Road past Chadderton Town Hall, we reach the now flattened mill and filled-in lodge. Westwood Moravane Church still stands on the corner of Neville Street and Middleton Road, with the new name of Firwood. The cinema behind the church is now a residential home for the elderly.